Tired of dropped calls or no signal when you need it most? With Wi-Fi calling enabled on your Samsung phone, you can turn that frustration into seamless communication, even without cell service. Let's get this simple feature activated first. Unlock your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. From there, tap on the gear icon, which will take you to your phone's settings. Once you're in settings, look for and tap on the connections option. This is where we'll find the network and calling settings. Within the connections menu, you should see an option labeled Wi-Fi calling. Tap on that to proceed. Here, you'll find a toggle switch. If it's off, simply tap it to turn it on. Your phone will then prompt you to confirm that you understand the service. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm your emergency address. If you haven't set one up, it's important to ensure this is accurate for emergency services. Tap agree or confirm if prompted. And just like that, Wi-Fi calling is enabled. You'll usually see a small Wi-Fi icon next to your signal bars when you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and making calls or sending text over it. Now, if your cellular signal is weak or completely out of reach, your phone will automatically use your connected Wi-Fi network to make and receive calls and texts, keeping you connected without interruption. It's that easy. Enjoy reliable communication no matter where you are. For more Samsung tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.